1 month, your portfolio is flying. Everyone on Twitter is shouting to the moon. And the next, it's in free fall. Panic everywhere. That's the cycle of bull and bear markets. And if you don't understand it, you risk buying at the top and selling at the bottom. Hi, I'm Stasha from Swap Space Academy, and today we'll break down bull versus bear markets, how the cycle really works, and the signs you need to watch for. Think of crypto markets like seasons, not straight lines. Bear market equals winter, cold and quiet. Accumulation equals spring. Things slowly thaw. Bull market equals summer, energy and growth. Euphoria equals peak heat, then comes the storm, and back to winter. For example, Bitcoin hit $20,000 in late 2017, then crashed to 3,000 in 2018, deep winter. But in 2021, after years of accumulation, it roared to $69,000, full summer. Now that we know the cycle, let's see what history teaches us. In 2017's bull run, Bitcoin gained over 1,300% in just a year. But then came the 2018 bear, wiping out more than 80% of Bitcoin's value. Another example, in March 2020, during the COVID crash, Bitcoin dropped from $9,000 to $4,000 in days. Just a year later, it surged past $60,000. History shows bulls don't last forever, but neither do bears. But how can you tell when a bear market is starting? Here are some red flags. Trading volume starts dropping. Bitcoin dominance rises above 50% as investors flee risky altcoins. Negative macro trends like interest rate hikes or global crises often drag crypto prices lower. For instance, in mid-2022, Bitcoin dominance spiked and trading volumes shrank, a clear warning that the bull run was over. But of course, markets aren't just numbers. They're also about psychology. The market runs on two emotions, greed and fear. In bull markets, greed takes over. People in FOMO are at the top. In bear markets, fear dominates. Panic selling pushes prices even lower. Remember the 2021 peak? Laser Eyes trend on Twitter was pure greed. And during the 2022 crash, fear led many to sell Bitcoin at $20,000, even though it later rebounded. And now it's time to test your knowledge with a quick quiz. True or false? Rising Bitcoin dominance often signals a bear market. Fear usually peaks at the bottom of a cycle. Bull markets always last longer than bear markets. Think about it. Got your answers? 1 and 2 are true. 3, false. Length varies every cycle. Which do you think we're closer to right now? A bull or a bear? Drop your guess in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss our next lesson. See you there.